Dear connections, today we will discuss about one more important Power BI feature, that is drill through. Today I will show you how to enable drill through and how to apply drill through in Power BI. So what is drill through? And this is also a very favorite interview questions of Power BI interviewers. So in Power BI, drill through allows users to right-click on a data point in one report page and navigate to another page that provides more detailed, summarized information related to that data point. Okay. Like if you already have a visual, in that visual you can click on that particular data point and it will navigate you to another page. There you will see corresponding data, like a summarized data about it. Okay. So let's jump into our Power BI. So see, in Power BI, recently, recently are telling that many users are telling that they are not getting the drill through option. Like it is not enabled in their Power BI desktop. So what they need to do is, like, I already found out one Microsoft Doc. I already found out one Microsoft Doc, that is this one. Don't worry, I will give you the Microsoft Doc link in my YouTube video description. So here you need to go to in this path, file, then options and settings. Just see it closely. Then options. After clicking on option, it will take some time. Yes, now you need to click on this preview features option, and here you need to scroll down and you need to click on this one. Previously it was unchecked for me, but I checked on it, on object interaction. After clicking on this, you need to click on OK. After, if you click on OK, you will get a pop-up like your Power BI desktop needs to be restarted. So restart your Power BI and you will get the drill through option. So let me show you how to drill through. So you can see the data set from table view. This is a normal data like order ID, date, region, all these things are there. And I imported it into Power BI desktop, and in the first page there are two filters. First filter is based on year, it will show only year. Our next filter is based on product. Okay, next filter is based on product names. So yeah, and this is a stacked column chart where I am placing the sales amount, I mean sum of sales amount against the dates, like date hierarchy. So and now customer want is like if they click on this one, they should get a option of drill through, and there will be another page. So let me create another page. In that page I will simply take a table visual. In that table visual I will take all the details. Like at first I will take order ID, then customer name, wait, after order ID, product, then customer name, then date, then region, then sales amount. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. Let me take the date at first. Date, like here it is taking the whole date hierarchy. Okay, head date, quarter, all those things. And everything is there, from it is aligned like year, quarter, month, day. Okay, this should not be count of order ID, this should be only order ID. So I will click on don't summarize. Okay, order ID, product, customer name, religion, sum of sales amount. Yeah, sum of sales amount. Mm, okay, I think sales amount should also be don't summarize. So let's do don't summarize. Yeah, So yeah, now okay, now this is fine. This page 2 we will use it as a drill through page. So how to declare it as a drill through page? You need to click on the canvas, then you need to go to page information. Here in the page type you need to click on drill through. So after clicking on drill through, you need to enable the cross report also. This option you need to enable. And in the drill through, see, this is the data point. Like you need to drag a data point here. Like in if you drag, you need to drag the data point, and if you click on that data point, then drill through option will come. So let's go to our page one. So what is our data point? Our data point is nothing but the sum of sales amount. These are the bars. Okay. These are sum of sales amount or sales amount, whatever. So here what we will do is like we will take the sales amount in the drill through form. Okay, it's done. Now I will go to page one. Okay. In the page one, now this is the 15th January date. So if I even I did not click on it also, I just hover on it and you see the drill through option is coming. Just hover on it and the page 2 option will come. If I click on the page 2, it will show the corresponding data of only 15th of January. See, in the 15th of January quarter 1, Alice placed laptop order. And if you create drill through, uh, Power BI will automatically create a button. Okay, and if you click on control click here, you will redirect to the first page. Okay, and if you click on any other data point also, like this is January 16th 2025, previous data was from 2024, again drill through, then page 2. See, 16th January data is showing, but Charlie ordered the monitor. I hope you have understood how to create drill through. Next time when interviewer will ask you the process how to declare a drill through, don't fumble. Just practice it on your personal laptop. All the best from my side. Yeah, thank you.